Thinking about becoming a police officer? Ride along with me. My name is Officer McGhee. I work for South Precinct Watch 1 Bravo, and I've been a police officer with the Newport News Police Department for 3 years now. Being a female police officer can be challenging, but it's also rewarding. It's about balancing strength and empathy, and I think that's also a good thing because as women we have a more softer side than men, so it automatically puts us in a role of being a nurturer. Being a nurturer does not affect my job as being a police officer in any way. I feel like it enhances my job and makes it natural for me to be able to relate to people. I'm a mother also, so it just comes easy. Something people assume about female officers that is not true is the number one thing that we're weak and this is not a profession for a female. But I think the complete opposite. I think the balance of having a male and female in the same role as being a police officer, it only makes the department better. My favorite part about patrol is dealing with the citizens, just talking to them like I'm a normal person and like they're normal people because they are. Also, children. I have a soft spot for children. Anytime I see children playing outside, I'm gonna go stop and talk to them, hand out stickers. I'm the sticker queen down south, so yeah, just being able to talk to people on a normal basis and not having them feel like I'm superior over them in any way. One of my proudest moments in the past 3 years of being a police officer is just graduating the academy. The academy process was something that I did not expect to be able to get through it as easy as I did. But my peers and my instructors, they were amazing. If you're a woman and you're watching this video and thinking about becoming a police officer, I say go for it. I say don't let fear get in the way of doing something that you truly want to do. And there's also a lot that comes from being a police officer, a female police officer in this department. You're not held back. There are female lieutenants, there are female sergeants, plenty roles of opportunity. 3 years ago, I took a chance at becoming a police officer, and I can honestly say I love what I do. I learned that every call is not going to be a great call. People don't call us when they're happy. That would be great, but they call us on the worst days of their lives. And to know that I get to respond and assure those families that we're going to take good care of them, it's a good day.